Join 4E Stories and subscribe our YouTube channel.
Once upon a time, in a quiet forest, there lived a large flock of pigeons. These pigeons loved to fly together and explore the lush green trees, the sparkling streams, and the open skies. They always stuck together, for they knew that there was safety in numbers. One day, a hunter entered the forest. He was cunning and had a plan to catch as many pigeons as he could. He carried a large net and some grains. The hunter spread the grains on the ground and hid behind a tree, holding the net, waiting for the pigeons to come down. Meanwhile, the pigeons were flying high in the sky, searching for food. The leader of the pigeons, a wise and cautious bird, noticed the grains below. He saw how plentiful and inviting they were and was tempted to fly down with the flock to eat them. However, he also noticed something unusual, a strange, silent figure hiding behind a tree. The leader quickly realized that it was a trap. "My friends," he called out to the other pigeons, "I see food on the ground below, but something feels wrong. There is danger lurking nearby. We must be careful." The pigeons trusted their leader, but the sight of the grains made them hungry. "Maybe we should just take a quick peck and fly away," one of them suggested. But the leader shook his head. "No, if we all fly down, we might get caught in a trap. It's not worth the risk. Let's find food elsewhere." Just then, a few young pigeons, who were too impatient to listen, swooped down to the ground. As soon as they landed and began pecking at the grains, the hunter sprang into action. He threw his net over them and caught the unsuspecting pigeons. The other pigeons gasped in fear and sorrow as they watched their friends struggle under the net. The hunter, pleased with his catch, began to gather the trapped pigeons. The wise leader, seeing this, quickly thought of a plan. "Everyone, listen to me," he called out urgently. "We must act together if we are to save our friends. We must fly down, but not to eat the grains. Instead, we will work together to lift the net." The remaining pigeons, united and determined, flew down together and landed on the net. They each grabbed a part of the net with their beaks and, with all their strength, began to lift it. Slowly, the net rose from the ground, and the trapped pigeons were able to wriggle free. The hunter was shocked to see his plan foiled. He tried to catch the pigeons again, but they were too quick. Together, the pigeons flew away, leaving the hunter empty-handed. After they were safe, the leader addressed the flock. "We were able to save our friends because we worked together. Remember, unity is our strength. As long as we stay together, we can overcome any danger." The pigeons nodded in agreement, realizing the importance of sticking together and following the wisdom of their leader. From that day on, they always listened carefully and acted as one, knowing that their unity could keep them safe from harm. Moral: unity is strength. Together, we can overcome any challenge.